Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we will be sharing few of the companies who are giving permanent work from home options. So many of the people have been requesting in the comment section. Also, they have been approaching us to get them a list of the companies who have been allowing employees to do work from home, work from anywhere. So in this video, we will be sharing the links of all those companies. So you can go to their careers page and you can see if there is any opportunity available, then you can apply. At the same time, we have also created a list of companies who were earlier giving work from home, but recently they have stopped giving work from home. So you will get a fair idea about which company is actually giving work from home. Right. So what we will do is we will be sharing the list of all those links of those companies at the end of this video, in also in the comment section of the video, so that it is helpful for you. For now, let us share the screen and show you, give you an idea of those companies one by one, right? So these are all the companies who are giving remote option, work from home, work from anywhere option, and the salary package is also good. So if you will see Airbnb company, so there is a link that is mentioned, right? And you can work from anywhere. So they allow their employees to work from anywhere in the world. You can also work from beach or any hotel. And they also encourage staff to roam anywhere within their country for the 90 days a year. So this is one of the perks that they are giving to all of their employees. They can roam anywhere within their country for 3 months, right? Then there is a Slack company. So Slack company, since 2020, they have completely started permanent remote work, right? So they are also actively hiring talent. They are actively hiring the candidates for various positions, and they don't have offices at all. Zendesk is the company who has actually started remote work. Earlier, there was full-time office work, but now they have started remote work, and they also allow employees to get involved into various activities, various social activities on Fridays, right? So that their employees get recharged and they come up with the more energy, more enthusiasm at work on Monday from next week. So that's the agenda, that's the motto, that's the uh, things that those are followed in the Zendesk company. Remote company. So as the name suggests, it is actually remote, fully remote, and it has got a passport friendly work policy as well. Right now, before moving to the next company for work from home, before that, please hit the like button. And if you're watching this video, please do share this video on the LinkedIn platform in your network so that it reaches to the maximum people, because this kind of information takes a lot of time and a lot of effort to put a video on the channel itself, right? So Dropbox is a company which again enhances, they allow the virtual first lifestyle, right? And face-to-face meetings do happen when needed. So let's say if you have to connect online virtually, then it would be a kind of a face-to-face call, maybe on Teams or Skype or Google Meet with your managers or with your team members. Then Uber is again has got a hybrid policy, right? Disney, it is again work from anywhere, totally remote work, right? Same stays for Dell, right? Now, these are few of the companies which, as per my knowledge, they are allowing work from home. Now, there are few companies they had earlier offered work from home, but now they have changed the gear. So earlier they offered work from home, or maybe they offered permanent work from home, but now they have changed the norms. So Meta is one of the company from that. Remote forever, that was a statement that was made. It was a kind of an official statement that was made, and now it has turned into office thrice a week. So employees have to mandatory compulsory come to the office thrice a week, right? Then it's Twitter. Again, it was a heaven. Now it's completely work from office. Then Tesla is there, 40 hours a week in the office or hit the road. So they have got a rule for their employees that they have to work 40 hours a week from the office. Now, irrespective of day or it's a week only, so that is again that is not fully known, but as of now, it's a very thumb rule, the very strict rule that is against the anti-remote stance. So 40 hours a week from the office they have to work, or else an action would be taken. Then Apple is a company, right? Still the employees and the management are having a discussions like whether it would be a remote or it would be an office work, right? So still those things are not sorted. Again, Google, um, right? It has started for some kind of a work from office itself, right? So again, a kind of a hybrid culture that you would see in this company. Amazon remote promise, earlier they had made remote official statement that you have to work remote only, you don't need to come to office. But now it has been shifted to at least 3 office days a week, right? Again, Activision Blizzard, no more fully remote fun and games, a return to the office for at least 3 days a week. Snap is again from remote friendly to 80% of office time. Snap out of it if you seek full-time remote bliss. So this was an update about the companies who are giving permanent work from home and about the companies who were earlier giving work from home, but recently they have changed their decisions. So as discussed earlier, this is the list of the companies, and you can look for their career pages and their opportunities. If they are there, you can apply. Right. So thank you so much for watching this video. And before we end this video, I would like to update you about the new channel that we have recently started. So let me share my screen. Yeah, so this is a new channel that we have recently started. If you will see playlist, so the name of the channel is RD Technical Learning. So we would request every one of you to subscribe this channel. We are uploading testing jobs, we are uploading programming interview questions, we are also uploading career guidance required for the testers, questions on test cases, manual testing interview questions, right? So Java programming interview questions. So if you will see, many interview related programming questions have been solved here, right? And you can also try this code by yourself, and you can also try to work on this code, try so that in a real-time interview you're not facing any challenges in the Java programming interview questions, right? So such kind of things we have been uploading on this video on this channel. So please do hit like, share, and subscribe our channel, and let us know what other content you would like to see. So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.